Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, we have to resolve one particular error that I'm facing, that is xlsx writer. Whenever we are working with the Excel file, when we got that particular error, whenever we are importing the xlsx writer, so we have to resolve that error in that particular video. First, we have to check out that Python is installed in the system or not. If it's not installed, then you have to install first Python. Then we have to install that library. So let's first check out that Python is installed in that laptop or not. We have to just click on the Windows key and then write Control Panel and just click on the uninstall program. Python 3.8.10 is already installed in that laptop, and you can check out by one more way. You have to just write Python hyphen version, then enter. So see, Python 3.8.10 is already installed in that laptop. If it's not installed, you have to install Python first. For that, you have to open the Google Chrome and then write Python space download, then enter. You have to just click on the first link, download Python. That will be the website python.org/download/. And you can also download the latest version as well, Python 3.14.3. So you have to just click on that. Or if you want to download for the Linux, Mac OS or Android and other, then you can just select from them. Okay. Or if you click on the Windows and you have to download some any other version, so just click on the Windows and then press Ctrl F, and then you can write 3.8.10 or 3.10.0, whatever version you have to install. Okay, so I'm not installing the Python because like I already installed that Python. And now we have to install that library. For that, we have to write pip install xlsx writer. Then enter. So it will install that particular library. And we have to check that version. So just write pip show xlsx writer. Then enter. So see, we have installed the version 3.2.9. The name is xlsx writer. So we have successfully installed that library. And if you're facing any error, then you can just contact us on WhatsApp number. I will share the WhatsApp number in the description. And let's end this video here. We'll again continue with the next session. So if you're searching projects in computer science engineering, then we are providing projects in multiple languages like Python, Java, Android, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, OpenCV, Django, React.js, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and many more. This is a WhatsApp number. You can directly contact us on WhatsApp if you're in doubt or you want any project. Let's scroll down. Those are the project titles. If you want that particular list, then you can directly text on WhatsApp as a list, and I will share that list. So it is combination of different technologies. It is more than 1,000 project ideas with their output videos. And if you're new to the channel, then subscribe channel and share with your friends. Thank you.